Hello! In front of me I've got CUBOT R19. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. Tap Get Started. And now it will be best to reset the app. I've done it because to update, the interface has changed. And as you can see, this is the homepage of Google Pay, and from here you can add payment method and different types of cards. Also, you got access to all your payment methods, full list of participating banks, and your full activity. In settings, you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info as update your name, address, or other account info. Next, we've got contactless setup, which is unavailable on this phone because it doesn't have NFC, help and support, send feedback, and access to our Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.